Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and we click here. When you'll find this page of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here on this page we click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on it like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your